Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm going to make a song only using sounds that I create with my mouth. So yeah, with my voice. So the rules are simple, only use those sounds, nothing else. So I can edit them post-production, I can edit them however I want, but the initial sound is created through my mouth, through my voice. So I really wonder if we can actually make something decent and something that sounds like it was created with real instruments. Probably not, but we're gonna try for sure. So anyways, as you can see, no sounds are here and we're gonna get started. So I'm thinking like a bass sound first. I was thinking a little bit of hip hop, maybe do like 95 BPM. And we're gonna spend some time in Edison, of course. So let me put Edison channel number 10. Let's record this bass. I actually have an idea right now. So let's see if it works. Enable the metronome as well. That's hilarious. Let's try to EQ it, delete the high frequencies, because we don't need them. Okay, maybe something like this. I didn't hit the rhythm exactly. So let's just edit that slightly. What happens if we lower it like 200? I like this the best, I think. I think we can work with that. So let's make some drums right now. So that's gonna be tricky, I think. Enable it and do the drums. Wait, one more time. Okay, there's a few layers I prepared, and let's actually combine them together for the ultimate kick. That's actually pretty good right off the bat. Okay. Let's see this one. That's actually pretty good. Then I recorded this for like a bass. That's a decent kick right there. And I think we can leave that as is. And let's just maybe put sausage fattener or sound goodies on it. Let's hear it with the bass. Maybe we delete the first one. Or let's make the first one unique and okay, that's good. Let's do the snare. That's gonna be harder, I think. And let's do it. Okay, I did a bunch of them, and again I'm gonna combine them all together. Let's normalize them. Let's hear it. That doesn't have that initial punch. Let's try it again. Okay, let's try this. Some of these could be good. Imagine this is how people would make sample packs. Just like making sounds with their mouths. Okay, this is better. Let's pitch it down. Let's put it like on track 3. And let's see what we can do here with the EQ. Okay, let's put it in the whole song and see this simple snare that is like fucking stack the layers, right? Okay, let's add a hi-hat. So that should be simple. Okay, those are our hi-hat sounds. How it sounds like this. Actually, we can maybe pitch it down. And put reverb on it. Lower the decay and the dryness. Oh yeah, that sounds like a hi-hat, actually. And let's just maybe do this. Yeah, like this. Okay, let's put the hi-hats down here. We are very organized.
Very nice.
I'm actually surprised to how good it sounds. It's not bad at all. But we need to add some more sounds to make this more interesting. So maybe like a piano would be nice. Of course, that's pretty hard to imitate. Let me try to make some other sound. Let me try a trumpet. Actually, that's not bad. Let's drag that in, but let me try again. Wait, what melody would fit here? Maybe something like that. Let's record that. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see how it sounds. Of course, I'm completely off. Okay, that last one is pretty good. This first note is off. Of course, we're gonna edit the sound because it's too loud and too much of everything. Let's see if we pitch it down by an octave. Wow, that actually sounds like a trumpet. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, so let's see if we put some reverb on it maybe. Which one is better, this one or this one? I mean, or this one. Either way, let me first run it through Newton as well, because we want to have it in the correct pitch. Let's clear a new one, drag this in there, and just center it. See if it's good. Okay, that's great. Let me just drag that in the playlist. And that's our trumpet sound. Put it on channel 6. And just like lower it by an octave. And let's see this one. I think this is the best. And then we put a stereo shaper on it as well. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I need some like bells. You know, something like that. That's gonna be obviously a voice. So I'm not sure if I can imitate that sound. No. Let's see. Let's just play it and. Let's put that in somewhere around here where we can find some space. That's so obviously a voice. I want it to sound like it's not recorded with a voice. But how could we do that? I mean, I think it's possible somehow. Some resampling or something. So let's put it octave higher. Let's put it on channel 7 and just put a whole bunch of reverb on it. That's decent. Let me also fix the pitch. So let's record it again in Edison. And then put it to Newton. Just want to make sure everything is in the correct pitch. Yeah, that's correct. So let's put it back on channel 7 and let's just line up. And maybe we can put some delay on it as well. Delay free. Okay, actually I can pitch it up now even more. Let's see. Do I want to though? Yeah, I think that's better. One last thing I want is some sort of chords, which will be probably the hardest. How could we make some chords? I think it's possible. chords. Dun, dun, or like strings. Maybe a pad of some sort. Let me try to record a few sounds, just one note though, and then we're gonna turn that note into a chord. Maybe a choir. Actually, that's cool. Let me record that again. Okay, that's decent. So let me run this through Newton, of course, because we definitely want this note to be in the best pitch possible. And then put it back here, like so. Make unique a sample. Just drag it in the playlist. Let me check what key this is. Is A. So I made it unique as sample. Now we have this one note and we can do whatever we want with it. So it's in the key of A. So let me try to create a melody with this. Like so. And then of course we have to enable the envelope, change this like this. And crossfade it as well. And probably octave lower. Let's add reverb on it. I don't know if this will work. Let's see. I don't know about this one. Maybe like this. And so we have kind of everything here, and let's just kind of make some sort of a arrangement. Maybe we should like rap over it. Let's see if we can do a simple rap. Okay, let's create some simple lyrics. Flow hole. Yo, don't destroy my flow. This whole beat was made out of my mouth hole. Yo, don't destroy my flow. This whole beat was made out of my mouth hole. No.
Eventually.
Okay guys, let's just put the limiter on it, on the whole thing. And let's hear the finished result. The whole song is made out of my mouth, I guess, my voice. And I think the drums sound pretty good, and some of the parts are decent. But of course you cannot expect that much if you made it only using your voice and your mouth for sounds. But here it is, nevertheless. And I included this little rap at the end just for fun. Of course, don't take it too seriously. But here's the finished result. Enjoy. Yo, don't destroy my flow. This whole beat was made out of my mouth hole. So now let's get it on. Maybe sing along, cause we're gonna bring it home. And hey guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun to make, and I'm actually kind of surprised how many different sounds we managed to make with only using my mouth. Let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.